Yes, dear viewers, today's topic is sparse matrix. So let us see what is a sparse matrix. For example, if a matrix which consists of 3 by 3, it consists of a maximum of 9 elements. So in this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, in the 2 by 2 matrix, totally 4 elements should be stored. From the 4 elements, maximum number of elements which is occupied by 0 elements, then it will be called as a sparse matrix. The sparse matrix is a matrix which has more 0 elements than non-zero elements. When you see this matrix, only one value is occupied by non-zero element. The remaining all other elements are occupied with 0 elements. There are 3 number of zeros in this matrix. So we call this matrix as a sparse matrix. Now let us see how we will write a program for sparse matrix. So first we have to include the array 2 by multidimensional array. So here we have to determine whether the matrix is a sparse matrix or not, and we have to give the number of rows as well as the number of columns. In the scanf R, you are going to get the number of rows, and in the scanf C, you are going to get the number of columns. So in the for, you are going to get the for loop. So first for loop is going to get the row elements, and the second one is for getting the column elements. So for I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, so you are going to get the value for the first element in the matrix, and automatically the for loop, inner for loop will be incremented. If j is equal to 1, 0, 1, you are going to get the next element. By so on, you are going to get the values for all the elements in a matrix. If a of ij equal to 0, so if the element ij equal to 0, the counter value should be get incremented. So for what purpose we are giving this counter value is to check the counter value is greater than r into 2. What is r? If the value is r is 3 and c is 3, 3 into 3 you are getting the value of 9 divided by 2. So the counter value is greater than this value, then it will be called as a sparse matrix. For example, if you are giving the 3 by 3 matrix, so the r into c gets the 9 elements. 9 by 2 you are going to get the 4 value. So that the counter 5 is greater than 4, then it will be called as a sparse matrix. Else it is not a sparse matrix. If you are giving the values as in input, element 0, 0, 0. For element 0, 1, you are get the value of 0, and 1, 0, 1, and again you are giving the value of 0. From these 4 elements, one of the element is occupied with non-zero element, and remaining all the values are filled with the 0 elements. So the given matrix is a sparse matrix. So what is this application of this sparse matrix is? So you can utilize the memory space as well as the computation time will be get reduced. So it will be applied in more natural languages processing, machine learning. So in all these kind of technologies, we are using this sparse matrix. Sparse matrix is nothing but it is a matrix which has more 0 elements than the non-zero elements. So thank you for viewing.